On this video, you will see the PVC pipe about 4 inches diameter is now finished for my air pump. And let me show you my water pump. The brand of this water pump is Periha. P like Papa, E like Echo, R, I like India, H like Hotel, E like A like Apple. Periha. As you can see on the diagram, the capacity of this would be 12,000 liters per hour, but it has 3 controllers. So the first stage that you can control the water is about only 50 wattage or watts for electricity, about 5,000 liters per hour flow rate. And while waiting for my concrete pond to use, I just use the glass aquarium, and this is a secure place for my aquarium. I can put locks on it, and that's the place where I can put my air pump and diaphragm for me to increase the pressure of air for aeration. And those are the drainage or the drain. And I like to sip some coffee during the morning. This is my duckweed cultivation and dwarf water lettuce. And I also try to build HDPE or chapal pond. You can buy this here in our country in the Philippines for buy one take one, but you need to use like some metal rod for construction for you to set up this chapal pond. These are the water lettuce, and I try to condition the water. And this concrete pond, it has roof on it with like a screen roof and a plastic roof. And this place is secured because I tried to use cyclone wire or like large chicken wire for me to secure this when I'm not around, or while I'm sleeping. It's totally locked up. So this is the setup now on my concrete pond. I also try to use the water pump to fill out water and do some leak test. And this is my gato, or you can do some work on the pipes. And there's a lock or a gate in my pond, and this is the control system. That's the control system. 3 stages. On the water pump. So this is only a temporary one for pumping out of water. But the pumping mechanism of this water pump needs to be modified, because when the water is like that level, you cannot get all the water and that is my water pump, submersible. Even it's underwater, it can still work. That is the setup of my roof, like a sun's, just for me to control the temperature on the pond. You need to have roofing on your pond, and also this is the drainage or the drain on my filter chamber. I tried to put some used foam and shells. I bought it from online shop. This area right here is supposed to be a storage for water, especially when you're using tap water. There's a lot of impurities like chlorine that can kill your fish. That black hose is the Matala hose for micro air bubbles. And even if you pump all of the water, still you cannot, because of the design of the pump. You need to put PVC on the suction part of the pump, like a modification. So leak test so far, there's no leak on the main pond, but on the chamber it has leaks, so it need to be fixed. And that's the when you create a concrete pond, it's up to you if you will go to